Most splitters you see nowadays are directly bolted onto the bumper, and that's why they break and they don't work whatsoever. Today I'm building a chassis mounted bracket splitter for my S2000 the right way, so it can actually handle speed, abuse, and whatever else it needs to do on the street, and it's going to support my bumper even further. If you don't know, a bumper mounted splitter looks cool, but at speed, all that force is pushing down on this plastic. And on an S2000, that's a fast way to surely break your bumper or anything else, or tabs, or anything that's of importance, and we don't want to do that. So instead of doing that, we're actually going to mount it to the chassis. That's way the car will not only this bumper gets better support, but the splitter actually does what it needs to do, and it's actually functioning as it should. The goal here is simple: transfer the load from the splitter straight into the chassis rails, not the bumper. Oh shit, I'm keeping, damn, this thing fell apart. Okay, I'm keeping the setup adjustable and serviceable. That way I can remove the splitter without having to tear apart the whole car from the start. I just quick release, basically a quick release. That's what I'm trying to do. Right now I'm marking up the mounting points, checking clearance, and making sure nothing interferes with the travel and or steering. This is the part that takes time: measure, test fit, remove, repeat over and over till you get it right. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. So this is the cool thing: I got this raised bed splitter that someone was just selling without the mounting brackets, so I had to make the mounting brackets, hence why I'm making the mounting brackets. I got this raised bed splitter on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace, either or, for $100. Usually they run it for like 300, 350 or something like that. So I got it for a decent price. I just need to make the brackets myself. The two areas that we're gonna focus on for the mounting points is gonna be these right here. I don't know if we're gonna use those existing holes or we're gonna have to make our own, but that's essentially where we're gonna put them to, right there. We added these right here to get a little bit more support. Check it out. Should work. So let's just say I wanted to just, that should be like enough support. Alright, this, now we added that one bracket right there. We gotta add to the other side. Let's get to it. All right, and here we go. We have the final results. This is how it should look like. We still got a couple things to touch up. As far as I'm painting those brackets down there, they're not gonna be full solid metal ones, you know. There's dust. I mean, I gotta clean it off obviously, but I still gotta drill into that stuff. It needs to get tightened up. Everything exactly. You can already feel how solid this thing is gonna be compared to how it was before. Look, it's coming along. It's coming along. And I still got a full lip kit to go on with this that goes even between those guys right there, the bumper and the splitter. So this is not even the final step. We're not even the final look with this. We still got a lip that's going in between there. So yeah. All right guys, this is exactly how a splitter should be mounted properly. If you're looking for actual aero on your track car, your build or whatever. This is how it should properly be done. Mounted to the chassis. Mounted to the bumper really doesn't do nothing. So this is properly done. I actually did something proper. And before we call it a day, I want to show you guys something really cool that I got for this thing. I'm really excited to show it. I'm really excited to install it. Let me pull it out for right now. Next install that we're going to be doing is this hard dog roll cage, which is really dope. I'm pretty sure this is the one that can go with the hard top. I mean the soft top. We're going to install this bad boy. Not today, unfortunately, but we will install it in the next episode. I'm really excited about this. Other than that, you guys, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.